Is it true that you refer to Mr. Matlala as boss?
Boss?
Yeah, boss.
No, we call each other Ngamla.
What's that?
Ngamla means senior. Ngamla.
What does that
He's
mean?
not my boss.
What does that mean?
Sorry?
What
I
does
don't
that
want
mean?
to put it like that.
What does it
Ngamla,
mean?
it's a total of saying Mlungu.
What is that? So you tell of what?
Mlungu. It's a total of saying
Mlungu?
Ngamla Mlungu, yes.
Oh, like a white man?
Yes,
Hi,
that's how we
wena.
call it. In Gauteng, you call it. It's a total. That's how we
I
grew up
see.
calling Ngamla.
Okay. All right. I think I'm done with
Even
you.
in Sotho, we say Lihowa. If you don't want to sort
I think I'm done with you. Thank you, Mr. Matlala.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Breitenbach. Ngamla means Ngamla means a person who has money.